shower some support in the form of comments, likes, and subscribe. We'll start the video now. So we will see how we can get the application running and push the changes to GitHub. So let's clone the repository now. So I have already created one of the React application here. Let's open that in VS Code. So currently we have only a readme.md file. So we will be copying the React application which I created, React shopping cart. First of all, we don't require node modules and the package lock.json. I just deleted that, and all other stuff we will be copying it to the new folder which we created. So let's copy this and paste in Amazon Amplify. So we have all of the files, and we have currently 90 changes, sorry. And we will also include git ignore. So I have one of the website. So like in the Stack Overflow I got something, so I am adding that. I'm just ignoring node modules package lock.json. Now that the npm I got successfully installed, so we can do npm start here, which will start the server, and we will be able to look into the local website. So yeah, this is successfully executing in the local. Now let's try getting that in GitHub. So for that we will commit our changes, sync changes, click on OK. Yeah. So when we go to our GitHub page now, we will be able to see all of the code. So the second part here is now we will see how to set up the Amazon Amplify. So let's log into AWS account, sign into the console, and we will straight get into Amazon Amplify. So let's get started, and we'll select Amplify hosting for our web application. Other one is for mobile application, and we'll select GitHub here. Yep. So in here we will select the repository which where is the where the code is present, and the branch in which the code is present. We can click on next now. This is automatically generated. Build and test settings. Let's leave it like as it is. And let's click on save and deploy. So this will take some time for creating the application flow, installing the packages, building the file, and deploying the changes. So as we can see, we have only a front-end application, so it's in hosting environments. Backend is not present. We will not be having anything there. And there are 4 steps in here for deploying. One is provision, build, deploy, and verify. After the verify completes, we can see the application in the link which is given there. So we successfully deployed the application. So now let's see how CI/CD works when we change the code and push our changes to Git. So let's change one of the code in a local and push that changes to GitHub. Let's go to header.jsx. In here, let's come down. Let's change the subtotal to total. Let's remove sub from here. So when we refresh, yeah, it got changed in my local. I will just push the changes to the GitHub branch where the code base is. Let's verify that in GitHub as well, like whether it is updated or not. And now it started in the AWS. Again the build process started, so it's showing provision again. So let's give some time. So when we refresh the website, it's still subtotal only here. So after verification is done, then only it will change from subtotal to total. So now it is verified, so let's check total. Yeah, this is how we can see the changes which is working. So thanks for watching.